a wordsmith, thriller with words, woman and mighty. Whether they like Jody, mighty, perform some silky rhymes from some beatbox beats, laden with lines of passionate poetry and positive times of wordplay that twists you and wraps you like vines around the poetry. Sit with you, he, they, she, diversity of thought and individuality, and words have the power to set us free. Yes, I'm expressing my full capabilities in camper calling facilities. What's some what agree with how I do this? I meditate and get it straight like a Buddhist. I'm dropping a favour, my behaviour is hereditary, but my technique is so necessary. Even when I tell you I drop an acapella, when I'm expressing, I'm never ever stressing. Yes, beatboxing workshop. It's on like in 2 minutes time, just over there, and it's 15 minutes long. It's the fundamentals of beatboxing. Come over. If you don't come over, I'm just going to do this on my own, so that's good as well. I'm happy to do that. Come over, why not? Bring the dog. Bring the dogs, they love it too.